Today at Chez Trips, we're making Chicago Style hot dogs. And they are beautiful. Come on! Oh, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on! Hello! Welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am your owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, I will be preparing Chicago Style hot dogs. Fill a pot halfway with water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Add the hot dogs, then simmer uncovered for about 15 minutes. If you would like to steam your buns, you can do so in the microwave, or while the hot dogs are cooking, you can use a steamer basket or a splatter cover. Now, a very important issue that I must discuss with you. The world is under the impression that you cannot put ketchup on a hot dog in the city limits of Chicago. This is false. Not true. The situation is, on a Chicago style hot dog, ketchup is not an ingredient. Hot dogs, ketchup, delicious. Beautifully delicious. Ketchup on a Chicago style hot dog? That is a no-no, my friends. That is a no-no. Thank you. To assemble, add one hot dog to each bun, top with diced onion, relish, mustard, tomato slices, dill pickle spear, 3 sport peppers, then finish with a sprinkle of a dash of celery salt. For our YouTube channel of Sports Chicago Style, please make sure you are subscribed, that you like and share the videos, and make any comments, as I always answer them in the section below. If you would like to financially support, please visit our page on Ko-fi.com and or Patreon.com. Sports Chicago Style. If you are on the social media platforms of Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, please follow, comment, like, and share. On the website of sportschicagostyle.com, go to the Chez Trips page, and you will find all of the ingredients and instructions of all of our video recipes. I hope you enjoyed today's video recipe and you choose to make the Chicago Style hot dogs in your kitchen. Please comment with how they turned out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.